Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back on the video, and today we're recording with Will, and this is day 49. I repeat, this is day 49, and we'll do it for 7 minutes. That's the water, sweet water. Watch. This was stuff last night. I ain't worried about it. From Mexico, we are fighting.
In just a minute.
So, he don't know, bro. That donut is the first thing he eating this morning. He don't know he about to be hungry again after eating that donut, bro. He ain't eating no fruit. He ain't eating no cereal, nothing. He just grabbed a piece of donut for breakfast, bro. You'll be hungry once again. You don't even know. You need some real food in your stomach. Before you eat some sweets, you need real food. No sweets. No sweets should be the first thing you eat in the morning. Alright, y'all. 50 seconds, man. Yeah, your man's up this morning, getting in there, making these videos, man, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. It's only right. Gotta grind our way to the top, but that's 49, day 49. Yeah. Give me some oatmeal. Oatmeal with some bananas, some peanut butter, some honey, some cinnamon. Whew. Baby. Baby. Alright, I gotta go.